We are trying to solve the washing machine issue, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Yes. So, Rishila, just tell me how important are washing machines at MICA?
It is very important because all of us are extremely dirty and we are very
People
dirty.
make a big deal of it, bro. People make a big deal. Back in our days, we used to wash clothes with our hands.
Uh-huh.
There's too much privilege these days.
No,
Don't want to dirty their
I'll
hands.
tell you guys.
They just want to put everything on the WhatsApp
Hey,
group.
don't sit there. You'll fall down. I have still not left office. Your responsibility is still on. I want to raise a very important thing.
Yeah.
MCSA has left office.
Okay.
They have passed it down to
Mescom has left
the elect.
office.
MESCOM has left the office.
Okay.
All the committees have left the office. But
All
the
right.
SPOC is still working as the SPOC.
I see.
Why is this happening? When will the next generation...
Right. So,
the next
Rishila, how was your
SPOC
experience as a Spock of Amaltas?
It was okay. I mean, it was really
Can you
good.
make a documentary?
Yes, yes. This is going to go on YouTube, by the way. This is going on YouTube.
Oh, damn.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm feeling it.
So,
you should have told me. I would
Right
have
now, we can see Nikhil coordinating with the washing machine vendor, or washing machines.
This is not our washing machine, Sanjay.
Okay, this is not
the
washing.
The inside one that's running.
This is also not our washing machine. This is our washing machine, though it is sort of dirty right now because they were trying to clean and do stuff. But trust me, it's usually cleaner than this. Today was the servicing.
But the inside of it is pretty much clean.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. All good. So, right, this is a normal Amaltas washroom as well. Washing machines are kept in the first floor. Girls' washroom, like girls. And, right, this is it. So, guys, if you have any other questions.
This is what we did for COVID awareness.
Oh, okay. COVID awareness. I see. Interesting. Yes, yes. I think it's because you don't want people to get infected and stuff, right?
So we marked one washroom just for COVID people.
Perfect, perfect. So now this is our hostel. How many hostels are there in the top floor and how many in the bottom floor? 12, right?
Yes.
There are total 24 rooms in this hostel.
Okay.
Top at 12, niche 12.
Uh-huh.
And there are 5 such hostels. Those are 5 senior hostels.
Okay.
With a capacity of total 120 people.
Okay.
There are total of 7 senior hostels.
Okay.
The 24 ones are these 5: Amaltas, Champa, Chinar, Gulmohar,
Uh-huh.
and
And
Chandni.
Chandni.
And
And one
out of
is
those, Amaltas is the best.
yes, Amaltas.
Yeah, we are from Amaltas.
Other than that, there is 32 rooms wala Kachnar.
Okay.
And these 6
Wait,
hostels.
Kachna had 32?
Yeah, there are 32.
Oh, so big, okay.
Yeah, that's a big hostel. With that hostel, these are single room hostels. So it's only single occupancy hostels. Nobody else stays there except one person. And there is the 7th hostel which is called Ashoka. So
Okay.
Ashoka was basically for, first of all, jab bana tha, it was for visitors to stay, outside visitors to stay. But now it has been converted into hostel due to expanded capacity of number of
Got
students
it.
that have been.
And it is very beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful,
Yeah,
but
like a
it's a
hotel.
double occupancy room
Yeah.
with 2 beds, but the rooms are huge with their own washrooms. And we'll see it later on. And there is also junior hostels are even again Ashoka, Sok, Parijat, and Palash, and also
See you, Rishila.
Bye bye. It's really awesome going back to
yeah,
Yes.
and also CCC batch stays in Ashoka. So yeah.
So now we also have a mirror and Nikhil and me will say hi.
Hello. So every hostel has one such mirror on each floor. So there is one here and there is one below, right below us.
Right, let's go there. So this is like a small Amaltas hostel tour as we are.
We might add more clips to it because in the evening it looks different because the lights are on. And this is the name of the hostel. So every hostel is named after a tree, a flowering tree. So this is Amalta. So basically the tree has died, but it's a Amaltas ka tree. Amaltas.
Wait, this is not Amaltas country, or
Yeah,
is it?
No, the bigger one. The
Okay,
dried
okay,
one.
this one, no,
This
right.
is just some random tree.
All right.
The bush. But we have a lot of trees.
I see. Amazing, amazing.
So we will show that later. But in front of us, can you just show it there? So there are mango trees all over the campus. So all those mango trees, yeah, these are all mango trees.
Seriously?
Yeah. And monkeys do sit on them, eat all the budding mangoes that are coming.
Baby mangoes.
Yeah, baby mangoes. Curry, as we call it, they'll sit and eat. There's a lot of stuff. Yeah. So these are niche wala are boys hostel.
Okay.
This is the boys ground floor. So it starts with 1, 2, from 1 like this.
One is behind this thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Behind the wall, and it goes to.
This is your bike, right?
Yeah, that's my bike.
Great, great. So vehicles are allowed. Yes.
Vehicles are allowed.
Vehicles are allowed.
Yes, vehicles are allowed. Not in the hostel though. Me being me. So yeah. पूरा लेने की जरूरत नहीं. Come here.
हाँ.
So it goes through this,
All right.
and there are 12 people.
Okay.
And again the numbering starts ऊपर from 13
Okay.
to all the way to 24.
Okay.
Yeah. The side rooms are bigger. The corner rooms of each side are bigger
Okay.
due to some crazy design. I don't know.
All right.
But my room is smaller as compared to Sanjay Prasad.
Okay.
So I guess that's it for now. Just one more thing. There is our water cooler also.
All right. So yeah, this is where we fill up all our water bottles.
Yeah.
Right
and
here.
the water is filtered on a big filter that is set up on campus. And I'll show you one last thing. Come here.
Washroom over here.
No,
Yeah.
no, come here.
Okay.
There are a lot of graffitis as you can see.
Yes, yes. I was gonna say that.
Huge graffitis everywhere, and everywhere people add more. So that is bomb site A, bomb site B. If you know the reference, it's CS:GO.
Uh-huh.
And people do dry clothes like this.
Yes, the drying racks.
There's the drying racks and the ropes.
So there's a lot of graffiti in almost every hostel, right? Especially the older ones.
Yes, the older ones. This was one of the first hostels that was built in this college.
Okay.
It's the oldest hostel, as far as I know. Even here a new graffiti is coming. It is a work in progress right now.
Work in progress by
Snehaditya
Snehaditya.
Yes, Snehaditya is making it. And a lot of sportsmanship. A lot of people have played sports, football.
Right.
And here also, here it's. Idhar bhi dekha?
Yes.
Here also. So this AFC stands for Amaltas Fitness Club.
Oh.
That was PGP 27. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So Sujit Hange is one of the guys who made this.
I see.
Because during COVID, show it now. Because during COVID, there was no gym allowed, or all the sports activities were banned. So a lot of fitness enthusiasts came together and used to work out in the evening in this courtyard. Almost everybody worked out here.
This
Now
courtyard.
nobody works out here except one, because our gym is open now. All the sports facilities are open. And everybody can play. So that's it. That's
Perfect.
it for now.
Perfect.
Yeah. So
Some offers you can't
refuse.
refuse. So please.
And again, the one last thing, Amaltas. This is the Amaltas flower.
All
They've
right.
painted. Yeah.
This is the one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is awesome. This is an 8-minute video, so thank you guys if you have stayed with us for so long.
And yes, we'll add a 2-minute more maybe in the evening just to show you how Amaltas looks in the evening.
Perfect. Thank you.